got Danny versus Michael Hollis coming up next. Danny versus Michael Hollis coming up next. Damn, that dog came up with some heat. We got Steph Cole versus Rico. Oh yeah, this is a good battle. Everybody likes this. Everybody likes seeing these two go at it. They talk shit all day to each other online. For the win, y'all. He jumped out there on him. He jumped out there on him.
Nobody take that bed, look out.
I ain't even.
I'm trying to get some help.
Danny Duckworth versus Michael Hollis, y'all. Should be a good one. This one should be a good one. I think I'm gonna take Danny Duckworth in this one though.
Mike Hollis taking on Danny Duckworth. Stuck around. Danny driver shootout. Danny Duckworth on the tower side. Mike Hollis on the spectator side. Mike Hollis is the Danny driver truck. Danny Duckworth and one from Arrow. Here we go.
Right lane for the win. I picked the car right. Dang, man, I accidentally stood behind that car and got my damn lookout seat dirty. Have to take it to the cleaner now. I hope they can get that out. I just got this suit, man. Damn, I didn't know he was about to do a burnout.
Cold was it?
No, I ain't cold. I got my suit dirty, man.
Yeah,
I wanted my suit to stay fresh.
yeah.
I wanted to stay fresh, man.
Still look good. Come on, you good?
Okay. All right, next we got Lawrence.
I did that shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. I like it. Lawrence versus, I don't know who he versus over there. to be Terry Hog, so they put it over here and they ain't ready to Terry Hog. What's up with it? Bag it up.
What's up, Jim? Tony Edwards, what's going down, y'all? Man, Yello Belly on a cold night. Daily driver shootout.
I know a boy that was in that pink shirt earlier, he ought to be shivering right now. Seems like I got a lag on the chat, so we're gonna dead that to be. Second round of the daily driver shootout. Second round of the daily driver shootout, man. I ain't tired yet. I slept all right, and I got a good nap in before I came, so yeah, I'm pretty good. I do want to sit down a little bit. I'm gonna go do that in just a few moments too.
Here we go, guys.
Second round daily driver class.
Eddie Roach in the house.
Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. Do a little more hype. I think I do usually be a little more hype. I'm cold with it. I'm thirsty a little bit too. Taco line, my boy Suit Mike, he done already came in, blessed my game. Dang. I need to see what's, I don't know if them lookout shirts moving or not.